Well, that's not good. So the driver's side door handles aren't opening the door from the inside or the outside. When you look at the handle from the outside, it seems to be pulled out a little bit, and it's not doing anything. It's almost like it's become disconnected on the inside. And again, when you're pulling the handle from the inside, it's not doing anything either. Now when you're unlocking and locking, I can hear the mechanism working inside the door. So my issue is, I think you can take off the door handle by taking out 2 screws and taking a look to see if it's become disconnected from the cable or an issue with the little plastic clips on the inside. My issue is I can't open the door. So if anybody has any suggestions on how to either remove the door panel, how to fix the handle so it's actually opening, or fixing it so I can actually at least open it from the inside, let me know in the comments. Again, I can't open the door to access the screws to actually take off the handle, or the screws to take off the inside of the door panel. So if anybody has any suggestions, that would be much appreciated. Just leave a comment below, and I'll try all the suggestions that are put forth. Anyways, guys, again, this is a 2006 Smartcar Cabriolet Passion Edition with power locks. So any tips, you can certainly send them my way, and I'll give them a try. All help's appreciated. Thanks a lot. Bye now.